Hello everybody again. Today I'm here with an absolute gem of a Bible. You might have figured it already. This is the Charles Haddon Spurgeon Bible. It's a CSB. You can probably get it in different designs, but let's not diverge too much about designs. This one here came with this kind of little cover. So here you could pause the video and read through the features, but I'm gonna talk you through it anyways. So this is an absolute gem. If you don't know Spurgeon, then make sure you get to know him, like yesterday. He's the Prince of Preachers, also called the Pulpit Lion. And this Bible, it's not like he made this. Other people made this Bible using his material. So let's dive right in. We have a presentation page here. I don't want to show it because of names and stuff. Then just the standard stuff, the contents, and then here a biography of Charles Haddon Spurgeon. Lost sermons of Spurgeon and where you can find them, and then his quotes all throughout. And there, yes, you can see, we'll see it when we get in. There is a lot. The standard introduction to the translation, to the CSB. That is in every Bible as well. Abbreviations, another standard. We get into the Old Testament, and here we already have our first book introduction. Every book has its own introduction, and the introductions, while they are not specifically written by Spurgeon, those people who wrote them used Spurgeon's material to write them. And throughout, you will find quotes in his own handwriting. And don't worry if you cannot read it. It's not a problem, because you'll find it again in the text here. Don't know if you can see it, but well, we'll go somewhere else because I've highlighted here, so it'll be easier to see later. Here, for example, we have a text, and here it's printed out again as well if you can't read that. Then we've got illustrations, Spurgeon's illustrations here. Let's go here. No, sorry. Let's find another quote here. So, for example, on this page we have a quote, and if you cannot read this, you can see in the commentary on the bottom here. I don't know if you can see it in camera, but the commentary is generally in black. But then here it's green, and green is this quote. So if you can't read it, don't worry, it's here. By the way, all of these info boxes, articles, the commentary, everything is derived from Spurgeon's material. So it's really precious. It's not a study Bible as full as some others. As you can see, for example, this page doesn't have any commentary, but this page does. Or here, for example, you don't have commentary on this one. You just have like the footnotes here. You don't have cross-references either, just footnotes. So it's not as an exhaustive study Bible like some others. But it's very, very precious, containing notes handwritten by Spurgeon himself, the Prince of Preachers. And you'll find these articles all throughout. I'm just going to go into the Psalms now, that you can see how that looks like. So here's a quote, here's one of his illustrations and commentary. I mean, it does give you fairly a good amount of space for your own notes as well. It's a very good Bible, by the way, comes with 2 ribbons here, matching the colors. Yeah, a really, really good Bible. I can only recommend it. It would probably not be a lone-standing study Bible because already, as I mentioned, it's not as exhaustive as some other study Bibles like the ESV study Bible would be, but it's very good. Another book introduction here. So you can see the end of one book, introduction into the other. Lots of articles throughout this book as well. And then we get here into the New Testament, so there's nothing here in between. Straight into the New Testament. So you can see as well here the circumstances of writing, contribution, structure, and then Spurgeon on Matthew. So really insightful. And not like your typical book introduction either. It's a bit of a different focus. So, yeah. It's just, here's another of his articles. So again, here you see his original handwriting or sermon outline. And then here the printed version of it. So really nice, very nice Bible, very rich, very deep, very insightful. Nothing new if you know Spurgeon really. You wouldn't expect anything less. Of course, what he does is good. Because Spurgeon, there's a reason he's called the Prince of Preachers. So then we get into Revelation, have the CSB concordance. Again, nothing too exciting. The concordance is actually very exhaustive, so that's pretty good. Helps you to study. Just get through. There isn't that much extra now. So the end of the concordance. Now we got some maps, also kind of a standard thing. And yeah, that's about it. So as I said, it's not a study Bible in the classic sense, that it has all this extra material. But it's got Spurgeon written all over it, as you can see. And I can only recommend it. It's beautiful, it's useful. Yeah, go get it. Until next time, bye.